Ano ba yan, girls? Mauna na ako. Tatrabaho pa ako.
Ay, ako din. Una na ako. May pupuntahan pa ako. May emergency
Ikaw,
kami
Kai,
sa
sasabay ka
bahay.
ba?
Yes po, sasabay. Kasi may kailangan din akong puntahan.
Coach, ikaw.
Di man go ahead na. May gagawin din ako eh. Pero, ito mo, siguro mamaya. Okay, coach.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.
See you next practice. Bye-bye.
Thank you, coach. Di ba ang tahimik niyo? Okay ka lang?
Are you okay?
No, I'm sa'yo.
Should drink a lot of water.
Should go first.
No, it's really okay.
Let's see you later.
Thank you.
Uy, di
You
mo
should
po
wait
check
for
up
me,
ka.
guys.
Uy, ba't ang tagal mo?
I can't find my kulong. Hindi ko siya mahanap.
Diyan lang yun.
Kasi yun.
Hello sir, good afternoon. Baka gusto niyo pong magamit ng perfume namin. Murang-mura lang po yan, only 99 pesos. Meron po kaming panlalaki, tapos meron din pong kababae. May dala po kaming tester, meron po kaming cucumber melon, blooming bouquet, tsaka yung pinaka-best seller po namin. So, try niyo na po.
Smells so familiar. Okay, I'll try this one.
Your order, sir.
Every morning and pick you up when you're a mess.
Oh, hi, binigay.
Yeah, sure. Wait, I think I saw you somewhere. Nagkano ka ba sa Thea?
Yes, I did. Actually, I've been eyeing you for a while now. And I'm trying to